Intel have come to my school to do a workshop on AI called Intel AI for Youth. We're learning about the impacts of AI, how it works, the history of AI, and what we're going to be doing in the future with AI.
As part of the 4-day workshops, they'll find out about what is AI, how does AI affect them in their daily lives, they'll look at the different domains of AI such as computer vision and natural language processing, and they'll also learn about the ethics of AI and also how machines actually learn.
We're looking at teaching students to use AI effectively, maybe getting it to reread some of their work, suggest improvements. For me as a computer science teacher, it can look at code for them, suggest improvements, teach them when there's mistakes, where they're struggling to find errors themselves.
I've really enjoyed learning in depth about AI, using the different programs as well to understand it even more.
We were using Scratch to turn lights on and off, and using different forms of AI and how they can be used.
It's teaching us how far can AI go and what its limits are and what can it do and what can't it do.
The girls here have had the opportunity to really learn and think about how AI is used. They've thought about programming, think about the commands that the human might use, so the natural language that's used.
One of the main reasons behind the AI for Youth programme is to make it accessible to all students and for students to realise that actually it's not as complex as it sounds and they can create AI applications themselves.
AI is the future, and I think it's becoming more a part of our lives every day, and it's going to be a big part of our lives in the future. I think it's a really interesting thing to learn about, especially as in the future when I'm older, I may be working in AI in my future career.